All right, Bitcoin. So last time uh, I streamed, I specifically said we're not going to look at Bitcoin on the month, and the reason is because every time I look at Bitcoin on the month, right, I can't help but see that 50 being so low, right? So we're going to ignore it. We're going to go to the day. Well, let's not skip the week. So we are turning around on the week. We got 6 days, so we're one day into this. It looks like a kind of classic turnaround, right? I mean, it's good. RSI on the week is looking good. Volume terribly low, very very low volume. And I wonder if we're going to see low volume until until New Year's, right? But interesting enough. All right, we'll go to the day. So our RSI is high. Now, if we're in a bear, our RSI is going to stay high. It's going to stay high just like it did over here. So, just to give you an idea, let's say 16 days, 16, 17 days straight was what our RSI was here. So, we're only 4 days in. You never know. But it's looking good. Let's ditch the RSI. Let's pull up the MACD for the day. That's good. That's real good. That's real good. I like that a lot. So our MACD is supporting us. I mean, so if we go into the 4 hour, so my last stream I was saying, hey, I'm going to take it on this too. And then I set my stop limit. It looks like we created some support right before my stop limit. Now it's just starting to go up. So overly optimistic Friday night? Probably. But it's looking good, guys. I don't know what to say. Now, ETH has been looking better than Bitcoin for last couple weeks, right? I think I've been saying that over and over again. So I literally just jumped into ETH because I expect that the worst thing that's going to happen is we're going to see some sideways action on this. The worst thing. So I may as well get in on ETH now. Um, so yeah, I mean, let's get rid of the MACD. So the 4 hour RSI, I like this. I like this a lot. So yeah, so ETH is to me it's a buy. It's a good idea if you don't have ETH. I need ETH to pay fees anyway, so it's like a really really expensive fee coin. Um, and then BNB. God, it feels like for weeks I've been saying BNB looks like ETH to me, and I have been holding a lot of BNB for a very long time. So there there comes a point where once you have time and market, you just have it. Like you bought it at that price so long ago that there's no point in selling it. You could trade it, but why? Right? I mean, I should, and I did actually, to be honest with you. I jumped into I put a small amount of my B&B into cake and just started auto compounding. So I decided that this this was a this was a double bottom. So this is the cake B&B pair, and yeah, I decided this. I don't like double bottoms, but I decided this is a double bottom. So hopefully this will start breaking EMA lines and just a way for me to make a little more B&B because I will be putting that back into B&B at some point. And this is my list. Everything with a red on it, I am currently in. So take that with a grain of salt. And keep in mind, you can't follow my trades because, for instance, Adam I got into 3 days ago. Right. So the last time that I was streaming, I was looking for entries. That's what I've been doing over the weekend. I mean, I had the holiday thing, Merry Christmas and all, but I was looking for entries. So if you go down to like the 4 hour, right, you'll see I entered this on a 2, a little bit after, but I entered this on a 2. And same thing with Link. These two I went in on like Friday. I went in on a 2. I set my stop loss at 20.70 or 20.96 and it never hit. And now I'm in profit. So that's how that works. And I will probably sell this fairly soon. Right? I'm going to see if it's going to run. I need to move my stop losses up. So I probably need to put a stop loss here. That'll guarantee me my fee plus about 3%. And the same thing I need to do with, well, gee. So, yuck. I will probably put my stop loss right at break even, which would cost me fees, right? So 28.84 on Atom. So that's where I'm going to be setting my stop losses. So my stop limits so that I don't have any, so I can stop my losses. Um, yeah. So E and J, I've been in, and Man, I've been in for a while, but the rest of them, and Matic, I've been in for a while, but the rest of them, Sol and stuff like that, I just jumped into on Sol. And this is a YOLO, so I haven't even set where my stop loss is going to be on this yet. I just picked this up. So my stop loss is going to be at 4%. And my first target is going to be at 6%. All right. Good luck. Hopefully that made sense. And good luck trading. I'll be closely watching this at least until noon. Right? I always think that around noon things slow down and it's a good time for me to get lunch. So that'll be about 3 hours from now, right? I'll come back and I'll check this out. All right. Have a good one. Watch your stuff. Set your stop limits. This is still a kind of dangerous time, right? I'm very optimistic now, but I'm about 75% optimistic, right? And I'm actually going to be pulling money out that I've made profit on probably, yeah, probably within 3 hours, um, because of that uncertainty. So remember, this is a volatile market. Things are looking good, but yeah, everything right now except for Sol has a stop limit on it. Sol and Matic. Those are the two that don't have stop limits. All right, so good luck. Trade safe. Have a plan, and have a great day.